Good morning, friends. We just used our BioLite to make some oatmeal for breakfast, and now we're using it to charge our phone. So fun to charge your phone with sticks.
I'm Shalane, this is Dean, and we are GrassRoots Living.
About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distraction.
You want to tell us about it?
Cooking on my BioLite stove now, and it even comes with a little grill that you can attach to the top of it. We're just doing a couple of hot dogs. The whole fire started with little things like this. This is what keeps the fire going, so you don't ever have to go purchase firewood at a campground. You just go collect some sticks off the ground.
We've actually used this BioLite many times. You want to show them this little thing that we usually cook in?
Usually we just cook everything inside here.
Yeah, so we've never used this grill, and we've had this for literally years. So we just thought we'd try out the grill today. Dean said, babe, I'm gonna try out the hot dogs on the BioLite grill. So that's the plan. It looks like it's working perfectly. It's distributing, it seems to be distributing the heat well.
Guys, come over here. It's got a little cap that you can add more wood to. Close the cap, it distributes the heat.
They smell good.
They do. So as you can tell, it has a little fan down here. I want the fire to come up. I'll just keep hitting the fan till it's up at its highest gauge. At the same time, I could actually go ahead and put in a USB and have a light here if it were at night. I could be charging my phone because the heat from this actually produces electricity.
Good morning, friends. We just used our BioLite to make some oatmeal for breakfast, and now we're using it to charge our phone. So fun to charge your phone with sticks.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling.
Okay, we hope you guys enjoyed that. We love that BioLite. We've done another video that wasn't quite as detailed, but if you want to see that, we'll go ahead and link it for you so you can check that out. Were there some other things that you were going to tell us?
All right, so there's probably about 3 questions that people will ask. What's it called? Where can I get it? And how much does it cost? So it's called a BioLite CampStove 2 bundle. That's what we received. You can also just buy it as its own separate little unit. Now, just the unit itself is about $190. The bundle, all the things attached to it, it goes to about $319. We bought ours at Best Buy a few years ago. I noticed on Amazon, it is available on Amazon for those prices that I just quoted. So you have some options there. You know, if it's something you're interested in, you still have other questions that you might have in addition to the ones I just said, yeah, just drop a little comment below, and I read all the comments and I'd be happy to answer any of your questions.
Okay. So until next time, this is Grassroots Living reminding you to get down to the grassroots of what makes you happy and live your love.
We're thinking of you. We'll catch you next time.
Peace out.
We can